Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Congratulations to Byte miners. Byte wallet is officially launched. So we are going to look at their latest updates, and they are also doing the launch event, and they are giving us $1,000 Byte to the 10 most liked comment telling us how much bytes do you hold. So if you want to earn 1,000 bytes, you have to do this little campaign. You have to tell them how much $byte you hold, including your BChain address in the reply. So this is the condition for this launch event they are doing. So if you're interested, you can give it a try. So right now we are going to see what they said concerning the Byte wallet. And before we dive in fully, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our Telegram and WhatsApp group for high value content. So right now we are going to dive in fully. An important information: I'm currently buying and selling USDT, TOS, Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to patronize, reach out to me on my WhatsApp, and that means that I will reply instantly. So right now they say the moment every Byte miner has been waiting for since day one is finally here. All users from the mining app, that is app.byte.org, should go to the wallet.byte.org, log in with the same credentials, and your funds will be transferred within the next 5 to 7 business days. So if you want to move your assets to the Byte wallet, that is, you are going to move your Byte dollars to the Byte wallet, you have to click on this link, wallet.byteblockchain.org, log in with the same credentials, and your fund will be transferred within the next 5 to 7 business. Due to the large user base, that's 1 million plus, the process will take a few days. They say currently all users can make transaction on Byte wallet with 0% fees. So the transaction in the Byte wallet is a 0% fees. Congratulations to them. With every new referral you invite to the Byte wallet, you will get plus $50 Byte. So if you have not started mining, I'm going to attach my referral link here so that I'll get this referral bonus, and you also can hustle for this referral to get the bonus. Now they say rank 3 users can bridge USDT, BTC, and Ethereum to external wallets, but with a 50% fee. Did you see that? For those that have rushed to go and swap their $byte to USDT, did you see what they said? You have, and for you to be able to withdraw or bridge it, you must be in rack 3. Rack 3, you know rack 3 now. This is in the, once you log in, if you are able to log in. For me, I've not been able to log in like I said initially. So once you log in, you see your rank. So if you are in rank 3, you can only bridge your USDT or BTC or Ethereum to external wallet, but with 50% fee. So I don't see the reason. No. So they say this protects Byte from large dumps before mainnet launch. You see that they are looking for liquidity. That this protects Byte from large dumps before mainnet launch. If you want to bridge your asset with 0% fee, wait until February 23rd when the mainnet goes live. So you see, mainnet will happen February 23rd, that's next year, so that you can now bridge your asset with 0 gas fee. But if you are in their need to bridge, know it that you are going to pay 50% gas fee. So let's click on this link to know if I can be able to log in. Okay, I don't have Byte wallet. So you need to click on this place. Tap on it. Scroll down and select this arrow to add to home screen. It's not showing on my own end. To add to home screen. Okay, let's tap on share. They say scroll down and select this arrow. It's not showing arrow on my own end. No arrow. Or should I click on settings? That's not it. Let me click on opening. Let me open it with Chrome arrow to know if you can add it to the home. Okay, so you can now see add to home screen. Then they said installed, create shortcuts. Okay, let's click on installed. Then you see install Byte wallet. Tap on install. Installing. So you need to wait for it to install finish, then we'll continue the video. I've downloaded the Byte wallet, but as has not allowed me to log in. Anything I click, ad will pop up. In fact, my next line of action is that I'm going to leave this project for good. Yes, I can't continue wasting my time. It's like I'm wasting my time on this website or project, because I don't understand why all this ads. I can't log in. Like even now I'm on the but to log in now, click on I already installed. Boom, ads will pop up. This one is even Kai, my dear, I don't think I will continue this. No. So that is it for this video. Just know it that the Byte wallet is officially launched. So you can now transfer your Byte to the Byte wallet. No